Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2019 GMC Sierra 2500. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe in those close quarter situations. Chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. You have a Denali spray and bed liner here, keeping the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.